I just want to make sure that I'm not going to be cut off on what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, pretty much I'm just streaming this because my recording deal didn't want to recognize the mic, so I'm just streaming it through StreamYard. It should have been going now, but yeah, I'm streaming it through StreamYard because my recording software didn't want to recognize the mic, so StreamYard was recognizing it, so that's why I'm doing it through here. So yeah, this is the Pop Voice 16-foot lavalier mic, $14 on Amazon, and I got it hooked up. Not legitly, but it works. I haven't decided yet if I want to try to do it through my USB sound card. I got it hooked up through an audio splitter right now. That seems to be working for now, so I don't know. I'll test out the USB sound card. As you see, I got it kind of corded up just a little bit there, so it holds some of that extra in, and it's easier on the cord. Let me just show you how long this cable is. Move that chair out of the way. I don't need it in here. You can still hear me fine. And you can still hear me fine. I'm starting to stretch the cord though, but yeah, you can still hear me just completely fine. It's pretty crazy how long this freaking cable is. We got a lot of extra on my floor. Yeah, so just want to let you know what it sounded like. Hopefully you enjoyed it.